One, two. Raindrops on roses and whiskers on kitten, bright copper kettles and woolen mitten, brown pepper packages tied up with string. These are a few of my favorite things. Three. When the dog bites, when the bees sting, and I'm feeling fine, I simply remember my favorite thing, and then I don't feel so bad. Mami-chan this. So bad.
文字通り私のお気に入り九太郎豆太坊ちゃんバーディールークマシュロイスモモさん蔵之介トムユズコナアポロ隊長